Affinity doesn't offer a dedicated line and arc tool similar to Illustrator. However, there's a workaround for it. In order to create a line in Affinity, all we can do is select the pen tool and then click, and then again by holding down the shift key we can also set the constraint to make a vertical and horizontal line, and then click on the next point to create a line like so. So let's delete the line. So this is how we can create a new line in Affinity. But for a arc, all we can do is select a shape. Let's select a rounded rectangle tool shape, or you can also select a ellipse tool for much more curvious arc. So let's select ellipse tool and click and drag to make a new ellipse tool. After creating a new ellipse tool, let's right click on the ellipse tool and convert it to curves. After converting the ellipse to a curves, all we can do is make sure that the node tool is selected, and by holding down the control key, delete the specific line segment so that only arc remains. For now, this is one of the methods in which we can create an arc in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and in order to get more tips and tricks about Affinity, press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.